Good morning, friends. It's day 2 of 14 of my USA trip. I landed in New York yesterday at around 3 pm, checked into my hotel, got some food, and got some rest. I've woken up with quite a lot of excitement and energy today. कल मैंने Whole Foods से ये कॉफ़ी खरीदी. This is Focus Coffee, organic coffee with lion's mane mushroom extract that apparently helps increase focus and concentration. Let's see what it does to me. देखने में तो ये कॉफ़ी काफ़ी ऑर्डिनरी है एंड इट स्मेल्स एंड टेस्ट्स वेरी बेसिक एज वेल. डीकैफिनेटेड होने के कारण इट्स ऑल्सो वेरी लाइट. इट्स 3:30 AM इन द मॉर्निंग राइट नाउ. जेट लैग के कारण मेरी नींद बहुत जल्दी खुल जाती है. आई एम गोइंग टू मेक मोस्ट ऑफ दिस अर्ली मॉर्निंग टाइम. आज मेरे यूएस ट्रिप का टेक्निकली पहला दिन है, सो अ लॉट ऑफ एक्साइटमेंट बट ऑल्सो अ लॉट ऑफ नर्वसनेस एंड एंग्जाइटी. दिमाग में बहुत सारे थॉट्स चल रहे हैं. आई होप कि ये ट्रिप ठीक जाए. I hope that I'm able to run all my meetings successfully. I hope that I meet the expectations of my boss and my organization. And सबसे importantly, I hope that I stay happy, motivated and safe throughout my trip. फैमिली से मीलों दूर अकेले होने के कारण थोड़ी सी नर्वसनेस और एंग्जाइटी कॉन्स्टेंटली रहती है. But having said that, I feel really proud of myself for being where I am right now and also very grateful to God. It's 4:30 AM now and I'm going to the gym. I'm determined to work out every single day of my trip. If you have been following me, you know that I have completed Heart 10, Heart 30 and Heart 45 successfully all within this year. वज़न तो कम नहीं हुआ, लेकिन it has made me very strong. I feel strong, less fatigued and always high on energy. इसके कारण मेरे एक बेसिक स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग में काफ़ी इंप्रूवमेंट आई है. मैं पहले हमेशा वेट लॉस के लिए एक्सरसाइज किया करती थी, बट नाउ आई हैव चेंज्ड माई पर्सपेक्टिव टुवर्ड्स एक्सरसाइजिंग. आई एक्सरसाइज टू स्टे फिट both physically and mentally. Over the course of last 6 months, because of lifting weights, I have realized that my body has become stronger and more muscular. Also, exercising every day makes me feel happy and satisfied. It gives me the satisfaction that I am doing something only and only for myself, focusing on myself, caring for myself. Alright, let's get to the gym. It is a pretty basic gym with a treadmill, a cross trainer, some weights and a bench. All in all, it does the job. आज के वर्कआउट में मैं प्लान कर रही हूँ कि मैं 25 मिनट्स ऑन द ट्रेडमिल करूँगी विद एन इंक्लाइन ऑफ एटलीस्ट 15. आफ्टर दैट आई विल टेक अ 5-minute कूल डाउन ब्रेक एंड देन गेट ऑन द क्रॉस ट्रेनर फॉर अनदर 25 मिनट्स. आई थिंक इतना करने से फुल बॉडी एक्सरसाइज भी हो जाएगी एंड आई वुड बी एबल टू बर्न एटलीस्ट 300 कैलोरीज. जिम ख़त्म करने के बाद आई हैव कम अपस्टेयर्स टू द होटल रेस्टोरेंट टू गेट माई सेल्फ अ कॉफ़ी.
Oh my god, they look so cute.
I got so obsessed with these that I even asked the bartender if I could take them with me. Of course he said no. It is 6 AM. बार काउंटर पे बैठने के बाद I realized कि वर्कआउट काफ़ी इंटेंसिव था and I'm very tired. I'm going to give myself a substantial pause time to just sit here and enjoy my coffee. आज का एजेंडा होटल से ही बैठ के काम करने का है. काम ख़त्म करके आई स्टेप्ड आउट टू डू सम रैंडम शॉपिंग. I walked around all across Financial District. I took some really good photos taking advantage of the beautiful sunlight. Came across the Spotify headquarters. I wonder इन बड़ी कंपनीज में काम करने वाले लोगों की कैसी लाइफ होती होगी. High flying, high paced, I guess. चलो भाई, अपनी स्लो पेस्ड रिलैक्स्ड लाइफ में वापस चलते हैं. तो मैंने कुछ शॉपिंग करी. Let me show you what I got. I went to Target to do some personal care shopping. The entire internet has been raving about these EOS body moisturizers. So I wondered what the fuss was all about. मैंने अपने और गिफ्टिंग के लिए ये कुछ बॉटल्स खरीदी हैं. This is the pistachio flavor. Then I also got the vanilla cashmere. This one is really popular. This one is fresh and cozy, again very popular and viral. Got another bottle of fresh and cozy. I'll probably give this to my mother-in-law. This is something new that I discovered at Target. Shower steamers. They are tiny capsules that you throw onto your shower floor. और जैसे ही इन पर पानी पड़ता है, they start to steam up. This is eucalyptus flavor and apparently it helps clear the sinuses. I got these two mini Vaseline tubs in the flavor cocoa butter and rosy lips. इंडिया में ये अलग अलग Vaseline के flavors नहीं मिलते, so I thought this was quite interesting. The small travel bottle of TheraBreath, I just wanted to use it because it has also been going very viral on the internet. My husband loves using different kinds of deos, so I got this Old Spice one for him to try. These press-on nails from Olive & June. Although this is quite an expensive brand, ये मुझे clearance पे just $335 के मिले. I think it was quite a steal. How did you like my mini Target haul? Do let me know in the comments below. Sham ko for dinner, I had some chicken soup and salad in my hotel itself. Dinner ke baad jet lag has kicked in and I'm going to call it a night. Because of the jet lag, suddenly the evenings get very heavy and my body literally asks for some rest. So we are going to listen to our body, getting some water to stay hydrated and getting in bed. In the next 15 days, you will see a series of videos that will cover every single day that I spent in the US on my work trip. Also, please do let me know in the comments what you would like to see for tomorrow's video. Please show your support and love by liking and subscribing to my channel. Until then, take care of yourself and see you tomorrow. Bye.